Redfeather from Grep. In this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you how to correct a spelling error with a particularly hard background color to match. Open Kdenlive, bring in the video you would like to work with, placing the video on the timeline of Kdenlive. Minimize Kdenlive and bring up the video you are working with in your video player. Once this is done, we need to take an area screenshot. Although while clicking on screenshot within my video player, it offers up no area option for the screenshot. So if you are using Linux as I am, go to Show Applications. Notice the screenshot software thumbnail. If you do not see screenshot, type it into the search bar in order to see it. Once it appears, click on it to open it. Once the screenshot appears, notice there are a few options available. The option we are interested in is area screenshot. So, place a dot in the area screenshot circle, then click Take Screenshot. Once the screenshot window disappears, your mouse should now appear as a plus sign. Move your mouse to a good area before the text. Clicking and dragging, drawing a box to a good area past the text. Once you stop and release your mouse, the screenshot shall be taken. Once this is done, another screenshot window will appear, allowing you to change and or add a name, as well as change the directory to where it should be saved. Once done, click Save. Close the video you just took a screenshot from and bring Kdenlive back up. Once Kdenlive appears, go to the project bin, click the drop-down menu to add clip. Scroll down to add title clip and click. Once the add title clip window appears, click on add image. Once the navigation window appears, navigate to where you saved your screenshot, highlight it, then click open. Once your screenshot appears in the Add Title Clip window, go to the bottom of the Add Clip window and put a check mark in the Kdenlive Show in Background box. Once this is done in Kdenlive, you should now be able to see the text on the timeline that needs to be fixed. If you cannot for some reason, it is most likely that your line marker on the Kdenlive timeline is not lined up to the text. Once this is done in Kdenlive, grab your screenshot, moving it below the text now visible from the timeline that is to be corrected. Then go to the T text symbol at the top of the Kdenlive Add Title Clip and click above the text to be corrected and click. Type the correction you would like to make, then to the right of the Add Title Clip window, adjust text size and color as needed. Once this is done, in the Kdenlive Add Title Clip window, center the text in order to line it up to the text to be corrected, if you are going to place it in the same spot. Then grab your screenshot, aligning it over the top of the text to be corrected. Once this is done in the Kdenlive Title Clip window, grab your newly created text, placing it on top of your screenshot. If you are happy with how everything looks with your Kdenlive title clip, scroll down to OK and click. This will place the title clip in the project bin. Grab your new title clip from the Kdenlive project bin, dragging it to the timeline, placing it on top of the video where the spelling error is. Maximize the Kdenlive project monitor to a really good size or go full screen. This will give you a good look, making sure all of the old text is covered and not visible. Once this is done in Kdenlive, if for some reason you notice something wrong that requires further editing, go to the project bin, right-click the title clip, and scroll down to Edit and click. Once the Kdenlive Add Title Clip window appears, make any necessary editing adjustments needed. I would like to mention, I know you may have been thinking or asking yourself, well, shouldn't Kdenlive have its own color selector? The answer to this question is yes. Although, as I described at the beginning of this video, the color used in this video is a tough color to simulate. And although there is a color selector, as far as I know, there is no color picker, which are two different things. Here is how you use the Kdenlive color selector. In the Kdenlive title clip, click the rectangular icon. Drawing a square places the chosen color on the title clip canvas. Then clicking the color bar to the right brings up the color selector. You can see I tried a few times to match the color, but I was not successful. The way to do this with the Kdenlive title clip color selector is to click on Custom. When the custom window appears, use the slider bar to adjust the color. Once you have found the preferred color, click Select. Once you have finished making any and all editing adjustments to your Kdenlive title clip, click OK. On the Kdenlive timeline, adjust your line marker to where you think it needs to be. This will be the start of the old text on the timeline. Then go to the edge of the title clip until you see a two-sided arrow appear. Then grabbing it with your mouse, stretching the Kdenlive title clip until it reaches the line marker. Move the Kdenlive line marker back further so as before the text would appear. Then hit the playback on the project monitor, making sure none of the error text appears and you can only see the corrected text. Make any adjustments needed, then allow the Kdenlive project monitor to play to the area where the text would end. But take notice, I have ran into yet another issue. There is a fade in place here. In order to solve this, we have to edit our Kdenlive title clip, having our screenshot cover the whole canvas. Go to the project bin, right-click the title clip, scroll down to Edit, and click. When the title clip appears, click on the screenshot, adjust the width until the width covers from side to side, then bring it to the top of the canvas, adjusting the height until it covers the whole canvas. Then click OK. On the Kdenlive timeline, find the center of the fade. Then grab the razor tool, cutting at the center. Drop the razor tool by clicking the S on the keyboard. Using the double arrow process again, grab the edge of the portion of the Kdenlive video that has the error, moving it to the back until it reaches the start of the corrected text. Once this is done, move the corrected text down so as to line up with the rest of the video. We will now be able to add the first half of the fade back into the video. Hover in the corner of the Kdenlive video of the corrected text. When you see a finger point rather than a balled up, click dragging the fade to where you would like it to be. Go ahead and give it a playback. If it is to your liking, then it is time to render. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? And ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Bayou 1. Thank you in advance. I am out.